Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate BritBox on your PlayStation 5 and start streaming British TV shows, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation 5 and navigate to the PlayStation Store from the home screen. Step 2. In the search bar, type BritBox and select the app from the search results. Step 3. Click Download to install the BritBox app on your PlayStation 5. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, open the BritBox app from your game library or app list. Step 5. On the welcome screen, select Sign In or Activate Device. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible. Step 7. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to BritBox.com. Activate. Step 8. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV, then log in with your BritBox account credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for a subscription. Once verified, your PlayStation 5 will refresh and BritBox will be activated. You can now enjoy classic British dramas, comedies, and exclusive content on your TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.